Hi guys, hope everyone's doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you've had a great week. Yes, we do have another video. This is a back-to-back video. It's not sneakers this time around, it's something a little bit different. Don't know if you would classify this as tech. This is definitely something that is along the lines of fashion/tech, and I'm sure you can guess by the little sneak intro, we are going to be talking about the Casio Ring Watch. Now, if we open up the box, this is direct from Casio themselves. They did have a little bit of a very small mini restock on their website. I did know that they did have it in stock. I did phone up. Unfortunately, they weren't able to reserve one or keep one aside, but they did say that if I do pop in, more than likely they have one. But as soon as I saw it online, I thought, you know what, might as well grab it online. Saves me the hassle of running around to store. So these did arrive, thankfully. I was cautious because it was the last one available. I thought they might have cancelled it, but so grateful. The drop was very easy to get in, to get out, and check in and check out. So yeah, anyway, through all that hassle, we have got one. I did do the raffle on their site. Unfortunately, I was not chosen, but hey, look, if you wait long enough and you don't pay silly resale, you might just get lucky and hit something for retail. So let's go straight in to the watch itself. We do have a simple box. We've got the receipt that it comes in. Let's put this box to one side. We don't need that. And this is the Casio Ring Watch itself. Now, if you're looking for the model number, this is the CRW0011ER. That's the model number. Let's go straight in and open the packaging. We do have that Casio tag that says it is water resistant. It has stopwatch, dual time, calendar, as well as a 24-hour format and an LED backlight. Again, we do have the model number here, and it is an EU. Yes, I did purchase this from where I live in the UK. You have your standard Casio instruction booklet, whatever you want to call it. It's very detailed. This is something standard that they do have. I'm not really going to look at that, but hey, it's got some useful information, no doubt some information in regards to their warranty as well. We'll keep that to one side. We also have here, okay, this is the additional clips that you can actually use if for whatever reason it doesn't fit your finger, because this is a one size only, just to give you a bit of an idea. So yeah, obviously everyone's got different size fingers, so yeah, however it's going to fit, they've thought of something, and yeah, that's their way around it. And we do also have a little mini pouch that comes with it, so no doubt it's something that will keep your ring watch nice and safe. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of padding in there, so yeah, I don't know how much protection you will get, but yeah, it's easy to store if you don't want to store it in their box. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought their packaging might be a little bit more premium, but it's just, yeah, your standard, and you know, you've got the ring box you normally would get if you do purchase ring, but again, it's very flimsy. The ring watch itself, if we open it up, now you can see from here, so I think this is how the silicone band will fit in, and again, it just makes it that much more snug fitting. So I think there is different types of thickness that will go onto here, and they are just silicone. They do tend to just slide on. We can see actually this makes it a lot more comfortable for me, so I do quite like that, although just bear in mind you will have a different fit depending on which finger you put it on. So for me, if I put it on my right, I don't need anything, but if I put it on my left, it is really loose. So yeah, I will put something on there, but it just gives you a little bit of an idea. We do have the light that comes with it. I think this is a great little piece of kit. If we do want to have a side-by-side comparison, I do have another Casio watch just to compare it, so you get an idea in terms of what the difference is between the two, and you can see that on here. Yeah, the size is absolutely tiny compared to the actual wrist watch itself. You can see the two side by side. I did have a massive G-Shock collection earlier on. This was probably going back 10 years. I probably had about 30 to 40 Casios in different colors. I was massively into that, but yeah, I've completely got rid of those. I've sold them over COVID. Yeah, just didn't get around to wearing it. Style change, but just get a little idea of what they are like next to each other. Right, and there you have it, guys. This was a very quick look at the new Casio Ring Watch. I like this, I love this. It's a great accessory style piece to have in your collection, especially for me. I am into my fashion and this is something that I am going to be looking forward to wearing on a regular basis. Let me know in the comments, let me know what you think of this. If you are a fan of this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way to help grow this channel. And if you do want to be notified as soon as I drop a new video, then hit that subscribe button, and as soon as I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, peace.